Alexa, am I a good drone flyer?
I don't have an opinion.
Okay, that was helpful. Well, the answer to that question is no, I'm not a good drone flyer. As you can see here with the gimbal and the camera dangling down here. If you look behind you, I've got up there on the wall some of my best drone crashes that were captured when this wee puppy was recording. Unfortunately, the last time we took this out was at the last wedding that we filmed, doing a beautiful shot of the venue, and I clipped a tree, fell out of the sky, and smashed the gimbal. Very, very lucky I didn't hit a guest. It was pretty close. It was actually a guest that found it and made a joke, who do I have to sue? And I went, yeah, I don't have insurance. So very lucky nothing happened there. But anyway, what we're going to do is seeing if we can at least attach this. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever be able to fix the gimbal, and the cost to get it repaired was worse than buying a new one. So just to see if I can attach this down here. I've got my little plate. Where are we? So I'll try and attach this to the bottom of it. Hopefully we can just get this flying, and then we can attach that 360 camera underneath, and then hopefully I can add to our adventures an immersive 360 aerial shot of wherever we go. So that's the plan. We're going to give this a whirl now. First of all, somehow fix this in a bit better, attach this, and hopefully we can get you flying. Beauty.